The always showing signs of change crypto scene can make it trying and mistaking for new financial backers to enter the market and bet on the best coins. While Bitcoin and Ethereum keep on being the top-level crypto coins, they are out of the compass of another financial backer. Thus, they would need to zero in on different crypto coins with a lower cost. The most basic thing with regards to putting resources into crypto coins is to recognize the best ones that can possibly fill from now on. Subsequent to recognizing those crypto coins, you really want to lead broad examination and do a specialized examination to know the choice about whether to put resources into them. Since Ethereum and Bitcoin have a higher worth, you want to find a crypto coin that has a lower cost, like Doge on Mars. This crypto coin has turned into a top decision for individuals who are enthusiasts of Dogecoin and Elon Musk. According to a venture perspective, it can see an ascent before very long. We will examine the conceivable worth of the crypto coin in the following couple of years, give you a total value examination, and give you a standpoint so you can choose whether or not to put resources into the Doge on Mars ELON. Doge on Mars is an image coin that entered the market after the bull run of the Doge all through 2021. The name Doge on Mars is a recognition for Elon Musk, a Doge lover. An indispensable component that stresses numerous financial backers is that the Doge on Mars doesn't have a white paper. The cost of Doge on Mars is presently at $3.30 E7 US dollars, down 6.63% from its past exchanging volume of $4,035,347. Presently, it is positioned number 127 on the coin market cap, and it has a live market cap of $182,139,698. Its coursing supply is 551-465-789-124-062 ELON coins, and it has a greatest inventory of 1,000,000,000,000,000 ELON coins. On October 30, 2021, Dogecoin Mars arrived at its record-breaking high of $0. The coin's ongoing stock is 548 trillion, which is more than its whole inventory of 1 quadrillion. Indeed, even with the high volume of Doge on Mars, it would be difficult for it to accomplish a worth of 1 cent. The most compelling thing worried for some financial backers is that Doge on Mars has no guide for now. Dissimilar to numerous different monetary forms, it doesn't offer an unmistakable possibility to its financial backers in regards to its use. Along these lines, numerous financial backers have misgivings about putting resources into this coin. In any case, the coin has been exchanged for over a year. The cost of the Doge on Mars coin has seen changes over the past year, offering financial backers chances to purchase low and sell high. Thus, this crypto coin merits watching out for in the following couple of years. Doge on Mars Value Forecast 2023 specialists have blended suppositions about the crypto market in 2023. Most trust that in the event that the negative pattern go on all through 2023, it will keep on coming down on different coins. In any case, there is a decent opportunity that the market will bounce back, and it will assist Doge on Mars with restoring its worth. We have dissected expectations from various calculation-based apparatuses and reasoned that the normal exchanging cost could remain around $0 2023. On the off chance that the financial backers gain trust on the lookout, the Doge on Mars coin's worth can arrive at the greatest degree of $0. On the other side, the coin's worth can arrive at the very least degree of $0 the off chance that the market keeps on seeing a negative pattern. Financial backers should remain careful and intently watch the changing elements to trade the Doge on Mars with perfect timing. Doge on Mars Value Forecast 2024 organizations and designers are ceaselessly attempting to think of various new tasks on blockchain innovation. We saw a quick development in the worth of crypto coins after the send-off of NFTs. Accordingly, new ventures can affect the cost of coins like Doge on Mars. Nonetheless, these are theories and projections from different specialists. There is no substantial technique that can assist with gauging the Doge on Mars coin's worth later on. As per our examination of numerous expectations apparatuses, we anticipate the typical exchanging cost for this coin would be near $0 through 2024. The Doge on Mars coin's cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $0, though it can remain at the negligible degree of $0. The most crucial thing financial backers need to recall is recognizing the perfect opportunity to trade a specific time. Recognizing the perfect opportunity to trade the coin is basic to put resources into the short run. You can purchase the crypto coin at a lower cost and sell it at a more exorbitant cost. In a perfect world, contributing for a drawn-out period is better since it can assist you with yielding great returns and save you from successive cost variances. Doge on Mars Value Expectation 2025. While the Doge on Mars is an image coin, numerous specialists accept it can see an ascent in esteem in the following couple of years. In the event that it can catch the financial backer's eye, it can arrive at a greatest degree of $0 2025. The coin will remain at a typical cost of $0 through 2025. The anticipated ELON cost for Dogecoin Mars is around $0. It is normal to arrive at a high of $0 the finish of 2025, which is fundamentally high contrasted with the ongoing cost. Given its drawn-out potential, the ELON cost expectation for Dogecoin Mars is exceptionally encouraging. Dogecoin Mars long-haul conjecture 2030. Since there are no presentation measurements or fiscal reports to assessing the coin's incentive for 2030 becomes troublesome. By and by, you can find out about the conceivable worth of the Dogecoin Mars in 2030 by assessing projections from different cost expectation devices. Cost expectations for Dogecoin Mars show that it will begin at $0, and an increment is normal sooner rather than later. Nonetheless, because of its inflationary nature, it has a lot of chance. Just digital money lovers can exploit this coin, and it must be exchanged for a brief time frame. The base ELON value that is supposed to be reached in 2026 is $0. The value developments of Dogecoin Mars can be credited to the different variables that influence its worth, for example, online entertainment promotion and declarations. History has shown that when images gain broad consideration, they can give financial backers returns. The expectation of the Dogecoin Mars ELON cost for 2030 is exceptionally encouraging. It is normal to arrive at a high of $0 turned into a beneficial venture. As shown in our 2030 cost expectation, the typical figure is around $0, with a limit of $0 Dogecoin Mars. Given its drawn-out potential, the ELON cost expectation for Dogecoin Mars is extremely encouraging. Dogecoin Mars cost examination. While the vast majority of the coins in the crypto market saw a gigantic expansion in esteem in 2021, the case has been the inverse for 2023. In the wake of arriving at an unsurpassed high in November 2021, the crypto market capitalization fell by 60% in the following 6 to 7 months. Numerous crypto coins saw an exceptional fall in their worth all through the initial half year, including Dogecoin Mars. The crypto coin was exchanging at $0 the beginning of this current year and tumbled to $0 7-day stretch of July. Dogecoin Mars 2022. The interest for Dogecoin Mars was driven by the conviction that its connection would prompt huge cost increments for ELON. Elon Musk was one of the principal factors that added to Dogecoin's prosperity. Musk regularly referenced Doge over the span of his public appearances. In October 2022, following Musk's $44 billion obtaining of Twitter, ELON and different images spiked in cost. A few financial backers accepted that these coins could be utilized for membership benefits or tipping. Different images, for example, Shiba Inu and Dogecoin, additionally acquired an escapable consideration. Since no explanation has been made with respect to the connection among Doge and ELON, the cost of Dogecoin has begun to relapse through November. In the event that the Dogecoin Mars people group gets the chance to get the task referenced by conspicuous people, for example, Musk, it could assist with helping the ELON cost. Assuming this situation works out, the Dogecoin Mars value forecast would demonstrate that the token would come to the $0 by 2023. Nonetheless, because of the progressing crypto winter and the negative opinion on the lookout, ELON may as yet fall further.